In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delay delivery of emails in Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to schedule a message to send later, whether you're using Outlook on the web, the new Outlook, or the classic desktop app for Windows. This is great for reaching people at the right time, avoiding after-hours pings, or preparing messages in advance. Let's start with Outlook on the web and the new Outlook experience. Begin by composing your email as you normally would add your recipients, a clear subject, and your message content. When you're ready to schedule it, don't click send just yet. Look for the small drop-down arrow right next to the send button. Click that arrow and choose schedule send. Outlook will offer a few convenient preset times, but you can also pick a custom date and time if you need something specific. Once you've selected the time, click send. Outlook will hold the message and automatically deliver it at the time you chose. Keep in mind, delivery uses your Outlook time zone settings, so if you're coordinating across regions, it's worth double-checking your time zone in settings. Now, if you're using the classic Outlook for Windows desktop app, the process looks a little different, but it's just as straightforward. Start by composing a new email with your recipients, subject, and message. Next, switch to the Options tab at the top of the message window. In the Tags group, either click the small diagonal arrow to open more options, or, if you see it, click Delay Delivery directly. This opens the Properties dialog. Here, check the box that says Do Not Deliver Before. Choose the exact date and time you want. When you're done, click Close to exit the Properties dialog. Finally, click Send. You'll notice the message moves to your outbox and waits there until the scheduled time arrives. A quick heads up for desktop users, depending on your account type and connection, scheduled messages may require Outlook to be running and connected at the scheduled time. If your computer is offline or Outlook isn't open, delivery may occur the next time Outlook reconnects. Also, if you change your mind before the scheduled time, you can reopen the message from its holding location, make adjustments, and send immediately. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.